Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. I'm here solo doing an unboxing of Ozai N Ku. Hello ladies and welcome. All right, I don't even have Charlie here with me. I am so low here, but I have a beautiful box of Ozai N Ku that I cannot wait to unbox with you lovelies. Ozai N Ku is a great line that we carry. It is designed and made in Greece by a family-run company, great ethics, and we love the fabrics and the silhouettes. Very artsy too, which is cool. And they always have a really nice model in their lookbook. I'm gonna see if there's some great pictures I can show you here of some of the pieces that I have in the box. Before I start, I'm just gonna do a little fit check on myself here. I'm very colorful. I got my scarf, which I love. I love this time of year when we can drape up in our scarf. So it is Love's Pure Light. If you don't own one of these are fabulous scarves. It is silk and modal, made in Vancouver, BC by a wonderful woman, all designed and made by her. She did this one. I am wearing our Lousje Bean limited edition signature one that she had done painting. I should show you a picture of the painting, so beautiful, of all me and Lousje's favorite things, and she made it into a scarf for us. So we still have a few left. We have a black border with fuchsia, and then I believe we have a black with a blue border still. And then I'm wearing the known sweater, cozy sweater. This is beautiful, 100% cotton, and in this gorgeous fuchsia color. And I paired it up with these new jeans in from Liverpool. These are the Stride, which I love the wide leg, and it's a little more crop. It'd be great for boots in the winter, and now I just have it on with my shoes. But this is called the Upland. It's a beautiful dark denim wash. There's lots of stretch in these, so they're perfect. I'm wearing a size 8, and they're higher waisted, which I love for jeans, but they're a good go-to, and we just got them in the boutique, so that's lovely. And then I have on from the Ori collection, the stunning earrings. Love these post earrings and the matching ring. So this is a sizable ring, so it's one size and very substantial, but beautiful, very artsy as well. So let's check out what is in this box. I'm very excited. I know Ozai N Ku is, well, I love the fall fabrics that they have. So let's see what we got here first. Oh, black, ladies. Oh my goodness. Imagine that I'm not even wearing black right now. I have denim and fuchsia on. What is going on? Okay, look at the, oh, I remember this dress. Okay, this could be a little tricky. I don't have Lousje, my sidekick here. This is my first time doing an unboxing by myself, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so here we go. Dress, beautiful, beautiful, two different fabrics on top. This is a cotton poplin, gorgeous. And then this feels like a sort of a poly blend, and it's got some stretch in it as well. So there is an applique here, an artsy applique here. Beautiful, and I can't wait to style that up for you. I'll be here tomorrow for you lovely, styling these pieces up, but this definitely has my name on it. This is gorgeous. That would be a beautiful dress to have in your wardrobe. Okay, so lantern pants. This is size small, so I think we started in a size small for the pants because Ozai N Ku, sometimes their pants fit a bit smaller. Beautiful ponte. This is that European feel. It's got such a nice, soft, silky, but substantial feel to it. Love these pants, like these black classic pants. You can just wear them with anything. They'd look fabulous with this sweater too. But these are cute because they have darts here, 4 darts around, bringing in the cuff, kind of like a barrel look, but it's great. And then it's got a flat front and then the elastic back, which we love. Pockets? Yes, pockets. All right, so pockets bonus. Bonus, bonus. So there we go. Let's see what's gonna go with these pants, because normally we're always curating pieces, the collections that can go all together. So let's see here. This is a turtleneck, nice width here, not too tight. And it's got a little bit of a hang to it, A-line, long sleeves. This is a viscose, 65%, 30 poly, and then spandex. So great, great fabric. It feels wonderful, ladies. And it's got such a great subtle print on it. It's black here, but you can see a little white behind it. And then it's got these white circles. So not a heathered look, but you'll see a close-up of that fabric, but it's got definitely some white to it in the back, in the yarn. All right, so those would go fabulous with the pants. All right, in the same print, what do we have here? This is the, oh, Bubbles jacket. The bubbles probably meaning the print of it. I know Lousje loves these jackets. So there's one button there and some deep pockets. It's got a distinctive high-low. It's got a dolman sleeve there, ladies, so that's gonna fit amazing. And then it's got a slit here as well, so that will be fabulous on. You could wear that definitely over the turtleneck, or you could wear it on its own. Be great with a pair of jeans too. That'll be a great one to style up. Okay, and then we got it also in this color, Citron. Oh yeah, that's a good name for it. Okay, so here is the Citron in the turtleneck as well. A little bit of an A-line to that, ladies, so it's not gonna be tight fitted to your body like typical turtlenecks. So that is a really nice look. You can wear it on its own, nice little A-line, bubbles, a pattern, and you could wear it with a nice long necklace. So we got the two sets, probably because it was just so darling, and what a great outfit. Wear it with the Ponte pants. You can also wear it with one of, I mean, geez, we could do it with the barrel skirt from Known. We could wear it over, imagine my black crinkle skirt with this and a tank top. Ooh, ladies, that would be fabulous. Look at this jacket. So this jacket is sized, I just want to let you know here, extra small, small, medium. So there's two sizes, extra small, small, medium, which is this one. So you can see how much room is in there, but it's gonna drape so beautifully and hang wonderful on you. It's just gonna fall. And then the next size would be large, extra large, extra, extra large in one. So very easy sizing there because it is a boxier look, but it's gonna drape beautifully. So let's see what else we got in here. This is beautiful texture. This is a cutest little top. Again, nice little A-line, but a scoop neck here. This fabric is wonderful. It feels wonderful. So it's actually, look at, it's all elastics in here. So all sewn with elastics to give it that look there. That's wonderful. It's so cool. It's got texture, it's artsy, it's in a beautiful cream color. So you could wear that with many different things. Great with a pair of jeans over the black Ponte pants, or maybe I'll surprise you. I'm gonna style these up for you tomorrow. Maybe I'll surprise you with something else and we'll see. I remember that being a beautiful neckline too. Okay, so Ozai N Ku is also known for their coats. And I remember last year we had a coat and it sold out so quickly. So there was two coats here and I'm gonna show you them. So here we go. Here is the first coat. This fabric is fabulous. So a gorgeous fall coat. Look at this. It's got two buttons on the neck, two substantial, beautiful, artsy buttons on the neck here. A great neckline, nice and sculptural, like a big cuff around, and then it kind of opens here. But on the bottom, which is so awesome, is it's got like it's sewn up in, so it gives you that bubble look on the bottom. Absolutely fabulous. And you should see this fabric in person. It is really gorgeous. It is like, almost like, let me just check the content, but it's not like a pleather leather look at all, but it's, well, it's poly and spandex actually. So it's got a little bit of stretch in it, but it's got like amazing sheen to it. And it's, I don't know, it's just, it's so beautiful. It's hard to describe, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna put that on for you and show you a picture of that. And then one more, this fabric is quite fun. Silver, my favorite. Silver and black, I think looks so fabulous together. Here we go. Beautiful kind of barrel bubble look there. On the bottom, there is toggles and elastic around. It's got a high-low. This fabric has an amazing texture with an embroidered circle on it. So it's a little bit thicker. It's got a great zipper. It's got these exposed seams. I love that. Straight in the back, that's just got that look. It's so artsy and cool. Here again on the sleeves. And let me just take the hood off so we can see the collar. Beautiful buttons too they have. I love that, all those details. Like they really make the coat when they have those cool details. Yeah, look at that, that's fabulous. That's super cool. This will be amazing on. So it's got quite a good weight to it. I find if, you know, a lot of our lovelies, they're always warm, so they want a nice light coat in and out of the car. This could definitely, I think this is the smallest size here, which it looks quite roomy. So yeah, it's an extra small. So you could definitely put like a bulky sweater on and still be good. So this could probably get you through most of the winter. Great stretch too, which is really nice, ladies, when you have that stretch in the fabric. And then a cute little hood with also the exposed serging, which is great in the black thread. So you can see that wonderfully. All right, well, there we go, ladies. There is our unboxing for our fall winter Ozai N Ku. I think we did pretty good on our own. I think it worked well. Tomorrow I'm going to be here to style it all up, so I can't wait for that. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit a thumbs up. And as always, as Lousje would say, keep on smiling.